What is up, guys? It is the Muddy Puddle Squad here, and today we're going to take a look at Thunderboats, which is a canceled game for the SEGA DREAMCAST. So let's check this out. It's a canceled game. I don't know when it was supposed to be released, but it never was. So let's go and check it out. Wow, I have to say I'm actually very impressed. Whenever it comes to racing games, that looks like appears to be one of the funnest racing games I've ever seen. And it's so cool you guys get to race boats. Like there's not that many games where you guys can race boats. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Does it look like a cool game? Would you guys have played it? Anyway, thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe as it really helps out the channel a lot. And I hope to see all of you guys in my next video. Later.